Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a WordPress AI chatbot plugin where user can simply place their query and get result from the project itself. Okay. So the first version of the plugin will work as a search engine. And if there is no information within the project itself, then it will go and find the relevant information from the search engine. Okay, and for that we are going to use a reasoning model for that. Okay, and the reasoning model will be used by Groq. Okay, so this will be the provider of our reasoning model. Okay, it has these reasoning models. We can use anyone we can choose. Okay, so here we have the fresh WordPress installed. There is nothing in it. It's a blank WordPress. And let's jump back to Claude and try to write a prompt. Okay, so let's start with this. I want to create a WordPress plugin for chatbot. Okay. First thing is pointed out. First, it will search the query from the website itself and give the answer. If there is no relevant information within the website, then it will use search. It will use search engine to find the answer. Okay, and for that we are using Groq API Key. That's sorted out as well. Make sure the plugin is fully secure and efficient. Also, if you you can improve. Sorry, the functionality. I think that's it from the starting point. Let's hit enter and let the Claude create a plugin for us. So let's jump back to WordPress, and now we are trying to add some dummy data so that our plugin will behave as we want. So let's go to plugins, add a new plugin, search for dummy data. We are going to use this one. You can use any one, or you can use your current project. Let's install this. Okay. Now let's activate the plugin. It's properly activated. Now let's go back to there, generate some posts. I want post. I want like 30 posts. I also want featured image. Generate assigned terms. Yeah, sure. Let's generate the post. Okay. So it's generating. And let's check the Claude. It's currently created. So let me just pause the video and let the Claude create the plugin first so that we test it out how it can work. Okay. Hi, welcome back. So our plugin is successfully created. So let's download this and try to install it in our project. So here we have the downloaded plugin. Let's open the zip, copy the folder, go to our project, WP content, plugins, and hit paste. Okay. So let's go back to our WordPress. Our dummy post have been successfully generated. Here we have that. Let's go back to the plugin again and try to activate our plugin, Groq Site Chatbot. Okay. So let me just go back to settings, Groq Chatbot, and I need this one, versatile, Groq Mini Compound, site assistant, color, everything, rate limited. and sites where use context enable widget. Perfect. So let's generate the API key. Okay. For that, just click on the menu API keys. Start create a menu. Let's set the AI chatbot. Okay. Now expiration date. If you want to expiration date, you can always add that. That hit submit. And now copy this API key. Go back to WordPress admin panel. Simply paste the API key and save the changes. So it's successfully saved. Now let's refresh the home page. And now let's see. Okay, so let's search about this. So it's working. It's giving me the first paragraph and the URL to chat. Okay, let's see how's the sorry well. So let's see how it can work out now. Okay, it's searching on the search engines. Okay, here it is. Current weather 6 to 7 August. Location, temperature, humidity, Fort Wayne, uh, in Delhi. Let's see. It's pretty amazing and pretty interesting as well. Okay. So let's search anything more. Let's search this and let's see if we can get the answer. Okay. It's pretty good. Looks fine. I don't think we need anything else. We need to change it. Everything works perfectly fine and the way that we have always wanted. Site pages used as context for create limited message when at visitor time. Oh, perfect. Okay, so let's wrap this up. In this video, we have successfully created a WordPress flow with the help of Claude and with the help of API keys, where we actually created a search engine type of chatbot where first it will search our query within the project itself. If there is nothing in it, then it will go hunt down with the help of search engine and give us the relevant result to that. Okay. So it's pretty easy and pretty simple. Okay. So if you want to download this plugin and use it in your project, you can copy the link from the description of to this particular video and you can download this plugin from that link from GitHub. Okay. And if you have any question, any suggestion, anything, you will always comment on the video. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible and try to help you out with that particular situation. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Okay, bye bye.